Hey everybody, welcome. This is spontaneous. I was out here watering and I thought, I'm going to show you. I've been doing some work in my garden and I thought it'd be nice to do a garden update today on my birthday, July 15th. It's my birthday. You say it's your birthday, happy birthday to ya. You say it's your birthday, you're gonna have a good time. Now it's your birthday. And we're gonna rock and roll in my garden. Okay. The Beatles. All right. Anyways, let's get serious here. So I did some more what I call burrowing around my flowers that are in the ground, because what happens is the dirt fills in and the water just kind of starts falling off, and it's not very effective watering. So it's like the furrow burrowing, okay, the furrow irrigating that farmers use. They do the rows, you know, they put water in the rows, and they never put water on top of the dirt by the seeds. It just goes into the dirt. So, and then the roots are supposed to go after that. So I've got a little cloud cover here, so I'm hoping it stays. So let me give you a tour here. Okay, the potted plants are looking better. Should we start over here? This guy's still playing around with those colors, but these guys are really getting strong. These are the ones I planted, all three of these. And this one here is getting big. And look at this, look at the yellow. Here we go, the anatomy of a sunflower. This guy's been growing for a while. This is about 5 feet tall now. You know me, I like to zoom in close here. You can see those little hands getting ready to open up. Isn't that cool? I just think that's the coolest thing. I just think that's the coolest thing. Can I get a picture of me and the little guy? He's gonna be coming out in a couple of days, guaranteed. A couple of days, we'll give it 2 days. We'll give it 2 days. Okay guys, so the rest of my garden, growing this guy here. I told you about this, it's gonna be 4-in-1 here. Look at this, 4-in-1 growing right out of the ground down there. Wild. I do well with wild lilac bush stuff. Picked another tomato today. There's not much up here now. I don't know if these little guys are going to come out, but you guys are seeing it. You want to see my garden update, so that's a good strong stem. But there's another tomato. I picked one already. Another one. But look at these potted plants. This is an experiment. Finally getting a good sized vine here. The stalk is getting good. Watering these good. There's some more of my medium size. The small pots. We'll see what they do. This is my smallest guy. But I want you to see the water. See how I do the burrowing? I call it burrowing. Maybe that's not the right word, but I've got water around here, so these will grow better. And I got my tree and my flower right there. Isn't that the coolest thing? So you can kind of see what I'm doing here as I walk through here with my slippers. I call these slippers. Another potted plant doing excellent. This guy was leaning down for 2 days. He's back up. These potted plants, I'm telling you, nice and healthy, doing good. So you guys are gonna like this furrow irrigating. That's what it is. This one grew wild, so it's my tallest plant, but my other ones are catching up. Like this guy over here. Catching up, most definitely. Look at these leaves, Bonnie. Bonnie likes the leaves. Some more potted plants here. Nothing coming up here. This is the one that didn't grow at all. It's still not growing. I don't get that. Another one of my large pots. This is kind of a quick update, folks, because I'm having my birthday today and I'm watering right now, so I had to get out here. We've got fires burning in the area, so we're under health advisories for the air. So I hope you can kind of see a little bit though. Another tall pot. These guys got to get a little bit going a little better. I don't like the color of those flowers. And here. And then the other tomato bush. This is aroma. These guys are still blooming with some little flowers, but we still got some turning. These are really starting to turn now. See the colors down there? picked another one off of here today too, so give you an idea here. Okay, one more shot of the garden. Get some music going here. I like it. Just looks different with that. With the burrowing I did. Okay. Should we take a picture of this garden today? Okay, I told you that was going to be fast. It was fast before the sun comes back out and washes everything out. So, okay. So thank you for watching me on my birthday, on my happy birthday video. We'll call this my happy birthday video. We still got lots of stuff going on down there. Maybe we should just run down there real quick, huh? You're watching LARÉ TV, Gardening with Larry. Okay, just a quick shot of the wild garden. As you can see flowers in there. There's not a lot, but there's some. You can see some. Everybody say some. Some flowers in here. They're hiding. They're hiding. There's a little guy over here that I don't think I even videoed last week. Now he's getting a little bit old. Oh, how you doing there, Grandpa? We'll make you real big here. We'll make you real big. We'll immortalize you here. There we go. That's a little guy. See that? And the bird houses are still doing good. The birds are here all the time. I gotta watch for the cats. So I put some more orange peels down to try to ward off those cats. So here's a little guy. So really, there's a lot going on in here. There's a guy over here. I don't know if I can reach him. See, there you are. That's a beautiful flower. Now you got your head down over there. Now you're on Gardening with Larry. Almost said LARÉ TV again. There's a little one here. Oh my goodness. Eyes to see and we're seeing not. Still some tall ones over there. There's Father Willow Tree, Grandpa Willow Tree that hopefully. Oh, I didn't show you the cuttings in the garden. I got to go back real quick and show you that. But these guys are kind of giving up the ghost already. But these are some more of my wildflowers. And I do have two of my tree cuttings over here. You've seen these. But they're kind of in the shade. But can you see them down here? Look at these guys. They're looking like little trees. These are the first two cuttings that I planted. I think I showed you that, didn't I? And this guy I brought out of the garden. He's standing alone now out here. Looking good. So this is the big cutting, remember? That worked done last week. Look at, he's doing pretty good. Look, can you see the angle of that? He's looking good. It really is. I'm keeping these watered. It's got some good leaves on it. Keeping that thing wet. So that's the first guy, so you can kind of see an update on him. I got him in these cages. And here's the two that I planted. Two smaller ones that I planted. They're still got their leaves, so they're getting water. Hopefully they're going to grow into a dynamic tree someday. Hopefully I'll still be alive. If not, the grandkids will water it, water me. So I'll probably be buried underneath them. Don't get me started on burial right now versus cremation. You know how I feel about that. Okay, so there's my seedlings. Okay, I'm gonna hide out here in the shade, say goodbye. Thank you for watching, subscribing. Let's get this channel going. Share it with somebody, would you? I'd like to get a lot of people watching these. I have people telling me, one of my Vietnam veterans, he's about 80 years old, told me he didn't realize how relaxing watching somebody scoop dirt into a pot or a bucket could be. It's very relaxing. That's why I do these videos too. It's peaceful, relaxing, hopefully a nice part of your day. So anyways, from the garden, I'll see you later. God bless you. Let me hear from you. Behold his glory. Could be a little bit more water here. My little burrowing magic today. Okay, the sun, the dirt, the water.